forged. That is sexy, but it would suck to damage them, and that is exactly why we have these bad boys behind me. But before we get there, welcome to today's video. As you saw from the title, we have new wheels for the 30th anniversary MX5 Miata ND2 whatever and whatnot. And the wheels are Konig Hypergram in the color metallic carbon with a machine lip. I haven't seen them live, so we will do the unboxing today. It is very, very exciting. So they measure 17 inches and 8 inches in width and ET45. So they are actually 1 inch wider than the OEM wheels, and we will hopefully then get a little bit more flush fitment. That is not the only purpose I got new wheels. It is also then I don't want to damage the OEM wheels. You could argue then, yeah, your insurance would cover any damage. That is true, but I don't want to go that route, and this I can get new set of wheels which I then can sell further on if need be later on when we don't want them anymore. So that is how it is. And also one wheel, the price I have seen in US for the OEM one is $1,400 US. I paid around $1,300 US for a set of wheels, and that is with the shipment and everything. I got them from a Swedish company, Vibor Engineering, so big thanks to them. I'm not sponsored or getting rebates, etc., but they managed to snap a pair for me from the US and get them here really quickly, so big thumbs up. And what we will do today then is to remove the OEM wheels and put them in the car, put the new wheels in the car or the other car or whatever and whatnot, get to the shop and have the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires mounted on these wheels. And there is a lot of thread left in these, otherwise I would have purchased a new set and put them on these wheels because I love the Michelin Cup 2 tires. They work really well, but there is no need for that at the moment. So what we will be doing now is to get the car up in the air, get the wheels off, and tomorrow I will go to the shop and have the tires mounted on the wheels. But before we continue the video, if you do like the content of the channel, please do support me by subscribing. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also do remember to hit that bell icon to stay notified for future content with MX5, the BMW, track days, car detailing, etc. Without any further ado, let's get on with the video. ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of the wheels? In my opinion, I think they look fantastic. I don't know about you, but I have to get used to this machine lip or a chrome lip or whatever you want to call it, because usually I am allergic to having chrome details on any of my cars. So let's see how that goes. But with the fit and finish, they look fantastic. The finish is really good. I hope the B-rolls showed you some of the details of the wheels and how they are. And also with regards to fitment, we are clearing the Brembo brakes with enough amount of space. I don't know if it comes through in the video, but it is all good to go. What I didn't mention earlier is that I have purchased hub rings. So the bore size on these wheels are 73.1 millimeters. So I bought hub rings that goes down from 73.1 to 54.1 millimeters, which is the hub size on the ND2 Miatas. So if you will be buying new wheels and the bore size is not matching your car's hub size, then it is recommended to use hub rings, because it will help you center where you have your bolts, etc. And I just got plastic rings. I was considering getting aluminum rings, but I don't think it is needed. If they melt, they melt when doing track days, etc. But we will take it from there when that day comes. So and also with regards to the fitment, a little bit more flush fitment would have been nice. As you can see, we don't have such flush fitment. They are actually quite well inside of the wheel wells, and that is also due to the camber, etc. I have on the car. But if they would have been sitting a little bit more far out, that would have been really nice. But again, then the main purpose was not to buy these wheels just for appearance. It was also not to damage the OEM ones, which we have packed up and they will be stored away, or I will be putting some more street friendly tire on them. Let's see. So that was all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Do remember to subscribe, hit that bell icon to stay notified, and also let me know if you want to see more videos, including more sexy B-rolls, and I will try to do that because I like to experiment and try to learn editing and so on. With that said, then I will be seeing you on the next one.